Obaseki market now. What did it happen? Tomorrow when you're on Saturday, yeah. Everywhere cast, Benin cast. Hey.
The same Edo States. It is a Benin erosion disturbed my house 3 fucking times as a child. I didn't understand my father's pain. Now I'm an adult. The same thing. This is the second time. And you know the painful part? The same Obaseki posted on his Twitter that they have fixed 19th Street, collecting glory. They do Jara Road. Do Jara Road because the wife have a supermarket. When I follow me at the erosion. I cannot enter into my house. All my documents is gone. My original white certificate is gone because I'm not crying. Then they compare AI. Then they move around. They tell us the election. Make a show on my house. Can Obaseki children live in this place? Can Obaseki children live in this place? This is not a political campaign or anything. I do not support the PC or PDP or AP. I'm speaking as an average man. Follow me. Be watching, see. Just a watch.
The water self there will come down. Water will use me for waste.
I'm a tall man. I be like short. Obaseki, I just graduated. All my clearance certificates is gone. My original WAEC is gone. My eligibility slip for Uniben is gone. The small clothes I use in making money for myself, all my clothes are gone. This is the last clothes I have, and I will soak it in this water. I will not curse you. I voted for you 8 years ago. Because I'm not crying yet, you don't know the pain. You have no idea of the pain. You lied. You lied to the world that you have fixed this road.
See where water they reach on. Okay.
Imagine
you
my
can
life.
see the water. You can see the water.
Imagine my life.
Keep going, bro.
I should swim.
Keep going.
To my house.
Keep going. So you can see where the water is reaching in shops. They say I'm going to raise the shops up. Okay.
Imagine my life. Imagine my life.
Imagine. This is where. This here. You can see now.
It's as if it's a curse. I'm suffering from Benin City erosion generational curse. I watched my father cry when I was young. I never understood his pain. But look at me. Look at me. That is an orphanage home. When erosion disturbed there 2 years ago, I was president in this street. We packed the children. ITV came here. We packed them out. That was how this place was closed. I had no money to change my apartment because I was treating my father's sickness. Keke people pay for tax. I'm not even talking about myself. Talking about the married man now. The family people that have children to feed. But because of this road, you started a road construction, you did not finish. You want to use the election to trick us, to trick me. They stopped. Look at 19th Street.
This is the orphanage home. See the fence.
This is the entrance to my house. The water has even gone down. How can I enter here? All my documents are placed down. All is gone. I'm frustrated. I'm frustrated.
See the fence with the orphanage here. This is the fence.
This is where I stay. This is where I stay. The water has even calmed down now. Obaseki, why? You failed me as my governor. I voted for you 8 years ago. You failed me. 8 years you could not fix this road. 8 years you could not fix this road. I'm starting my life afresh. And you guys are busy campaigning everywhere, telling us who to vote for. You have no idea the pain you have caused me. Look at how I'm fucking edge. But don't stop the video, make I film. This is Edo State. It is a Bini erosion. Disturbed my house 3 fucking times as a child. I don't